Listen to the sound of the music, it's like nothing you've ever heard.